Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to quickly make these really cute magical unicorn birthday invitations. They're so cute, really in right now with the whole unicorn theme going on with everything, and they're really easy, really easy to do, and they save a ton of money. So let me go ahead and get started and show you guys how quick and easy it is. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the internet and you're going to go to PicMonkey.com, www.picmonkey.com. Then you're going to click on Edit and you're going to choose Computer because by this time you will have already the template downloaded on your computer and saved wherever you wanted it saved. So you're going to choose Computer. You're going to find the template and bring it up in PicMonkey. And we'll just give it a second here to bring up the template and then I'll show you guys how easy it is to add your details. So here's the template. It comes with two 5x7 invitations on one 8.5 by 11 inch sheet, which makes it really easy when it comes to printing because you just print as many regular sheets as you need and then you just cut these out and you get two per page, which saves a lot of money on printing. So if you're printing from home, I recommend using white cardstock paper, or if you're using a print vendor, you also can just ask for white cardstock paper when they ask what kind of paper you want to print on. So you can use any vendor you want. You can use a local copy shop. You can use something like Kinko's, FedEx, Walgreens, Walmart. You can use an online vendor like Vistaprint. Or again, like I said, if you have a color printer, all you need to do is get some white cardstock and you can print from home. And you can find white cardstock anywhere, Amazon, Walmart, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, really anywhere. It's really easy to find. So as you can see, the artwork is already here for you and it already has a little cute banner that says Let's Celebrate. So all you really need to do is add your event details here and then you're done. It's really easy and anybody can do it. You don't need any special skills. So let me just show you how easy it is. Over here on the left, you're going to click on this T icon for text. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring up all of the fonts that PicMonkey has to offer for you to use. So you can use any of their fonts here, all these here. And there's also the option here where it says yours. If you click on that, it will bring up all the fonts that you already have installed on your computer. So if you have a really fun, fancy, pretty font, that one that you really want to use, and you don't want to use these fonts, then you would click up here on yours and you would be able to access all of the fonts that you already have on your computer. But if not, if you just want to use what PicMonkey has to offer, which is more than enough, I would just go with what they have to offer. So I'm going to start by using this cute coffee break script, or coffee break font, and I'm going to click on it. And you see it's highlighted here, and then I'm going to click add text, and it's going to bring up this text box here. And I'm just going to drag it to where I need it, which is right about here. Once you have it there, I'm just going to double click inside of it. I'm going to start typing my event details and what I want my invitations to say. And you're going to notice when I start typing the words, they're going to look really big, and that's okay because I'm going to adjust the color and the size and everything, and so you guys can see how it is from beginning to end. So first, all I'm going to focus on is typing the details. So let's just type, it already says let's celebrate, so let's just type um, Madison's 5th birthday. And I'm going to change the color. It's not going to be black. And I want that fancy font for this part of the invitation, and the rest is going to be more classic. So I think for that, I'm going to make it like a pretty pink or purple color, something like that. And I'm going to center it here by clicking on that little center button here with the lines. You can choose from any of the colors here on this wheel. If you just drag this little button around, all your color choices, it's like you have the choices for, every color under the rainbow is here that you can use. So you can play around with it until you find what you want. And then this button here, if you drag it left or right, it's going to make your font bigger or smaller. So you can adjust it by sliding it left or right. So let me see here if I think I like it just about there. Let me see how that looks. And then I'm just going to drag it just about there till it's perfect. Okay, and now I'm going to duplicate that text by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate Text. And it just duplicated that same thing, and I'm just going to drag that over to this invitation so it has the very same information. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and fill in these other details like the time and date of the event. I'm going to go ahead and use this classic Cardo font just because it's a little easier to read. And I'm just going to choose it and click on Add Text, and you see the text box popped up here again. So I want to drag it down right beneath previous text. I'm going to double click it, and I'm just going to enter the details. So let's just put Saturday, June 5th, 2018 at 1 o'clock p.m. And we'll just make up an event location like, let's just say, Lucky's Pizza. And then I'll put the address. Okay, I'm going to highlight my text now. I'm going to make it smaller and center it and just choose the color. So go back over here to the right and choose this icon here in the middle to center it. And then over here, the button that goes left or right, I'm going to drag it down until it's the size that I think it should be. Let's try that and see how that looks. I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do that because I want to add a line at the end for RSVP. Just make up a phone number here. Okay, now I'm going to highlight again, and I'm going to change the color. I'm just going to play around with it and see what I like. Let's try this aqua color. That's pretty, but you can't really see it too well, so let's try something darker. Like, that's pretty. Maybe more of like a midnight blue, something like that would be pretty. You could even do like a green. You could really do whatever you want. It's so fun to play around with this. And then I'm going to click on this B right here to make it bold. So that makes it stand out even more. And I like that, just like that. Perfect. And look how easy that was. Didn't take much time at all, just a couple of minutes. So again, I'm going to highlight this text. I'm going to right click. I'm going to click on duplicate text. And it's going to duplicate it. And you're just going to drag that box over to this side and place it where you want it. And now you're done. Look how easy that was. Beautiful unicorn invitations in just a few minutes. Really easy. You can print them right from your home color printer if you want on cardstock. You can print them at any vendor of your choice. And we have a vendor that we like that we use that's really affordable. And I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check them out. Otherwise, you can print from anywhere and have these beautiful invitations. All you have to do is cut them out. And they're sized at 5 by 7. Stick them in an envelope and pass them out. Really, really, really easy. And then if you need more, you can just print more. It's really, these are really handy and really easy. Very simple for anybody to do. Not a lot of skill work needed here. A lot of people get intimidated with DIY projects, but these are really easy and pretty straightforward on how to use it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave the link for these templates down below where you can download them, as along with the links on how you can reach us if you have any questions, and also our social media links in case you guys want to follow along for our new designs. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I was helpful with this tutorial. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.